Flask-SQLalchemy update a row's information. How can I update a row's information? For example, I'd like to alter the name column of the row that has the id 5.
Retrieve an object using the tutorial shown in the Flask-SQLalchemy documentation. Once you have the entity that you want to change the entity itself. Then, db.session.commit. For example, Flask-SQLalchemy is based on SQLalchemy, so be sure to check out the SQLalchemy docs as well.
There is a method update on basic query object in SQLalchemy, which is returned by filter_by. The advantage of using update over changing the entity comes when there are many objects to be updated. If you want to give add_user permission to all the admins, notice that filter_by takes keyword arguments, use only one equals, as opposed to filter which takes an expression.
This does not work if you modify a pickled attribute of the model. Pickled attributes should be replaced in order to trigger updates.
Just assigning the value and committing them will work for all the data types but JSON and pickled attributes. Since pickled type is explained above, I'll note down a slightly different but easy way to update JSONs. Let's say the model is like above. This will add the user into the MySQL database with data, country, Sri Lanka. Modifying data will be ignored. My code that didn't work is as follows. Instead of going through the painful work of copying the JSON to a new dict, not assigning it to a new variable as above, which should have worked, I found a simple way to do that. There is a way to flag the system that JSONs have changed. Following is the working code. This worked like a charm. There is another method proposed along with this method here. Hope I've helped someone.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.